Hi, myself Dr. Rishi Gupta, and I'm working in Anton Paar as technical manager. I'm heading the application team here. Now we have showcased multiple products from Anton Paar which can work for the defense industry, starting from the one. Now right now this is a gas picnometer. Its trade name is UltraPic 5000. It can be used to test the density of the material that may be used in the aerospace industries. Besides this, we have light sizer diff 500. Light sizer diff is basically a particle size analyzer. When we do have multiple type of resins and polymers, we need to check the right size of those particles of these resins and polymers, and this machine can help us in determining those. The machine can go from 10 nanometer going up to 3500 micron. Now, along with this, we have this machine which is PMA 500. This is a flashpoint tester. So whatever fuels people are generating or people are developing, they need to check the flame point or flash point of those. This machine helps in determining the flash point here. This is a unique machine with Anton Paar. This is called tribometer. It is used to check the wear and tear of the material that people are developing. This is based on the friction of this, and if you are having some component that you need to check that how and wear and tear may happen to this material, this machine can help you in determining this. Now we have this machine which is MCR, which we called as modular compact rheometer. This will tell you the flow behavior of the coatings of the materials of the polymers. We can check the viscosities of the melts, polymer melts, and even if you are running at very high temperature going up to 1800 degrees centigrade, the machine can simulate the conditions for this. This is another particle size analyzers when people are developing things in the nano range. Now people are working with nanofibers, nanomaterials. This machine can determine the size and the zeta potential of those nanoparticles. Now this is a very well-known machine. This is FTIR to check the fingerprint region of the different chemical constituents present in the samples. It is basically for the hazardous material testing, which we can employ in the defense industry to understand what all component the material might be having. Along with this, we have this machine which is known as Cora 5001. This is a Raman spectrophotometer, and with this also we can determine the sample's type and what all component the sample might be having. This one is a microwave chemical synthesis reactor where we can do some chemical synthesis. If somebody needs to perform the chemical synthesis with their samples, they can perform it with this machine. And this one is a microwave digester where we can digest the sample to understand what all component the sample might be having. It is basically for the metal detection. When people are checking the metal contamination in their sample, they do digest the sample, and this machine can help them in digestion of those samples before putting it onto the metal analysis systems. Thank you very much.